Today is my son's birthday, so I'm going to make it special and meaningful for him. I want to travel him not in mall, not in resort, not in park, but in our very own nature. So, we're ready? Okay, come on! Let's go! Let's go!
Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. Hat down, cross town, living like a rock star. Spend a lot of money on my brand new guitar.
This
Baby's gotta
is
have a diamond
our
rings and Fendi
nature.
sports bras. Riding down Rodeo in my Maserati sports car.
My
Got no
son.
stress, I've been through all that. I'm like a mob.
Ako nga pala. Papa, what are we going to do in my special day? Son, I'll show you what is the importance of nature. Do you know that nature has math? Oh, really? Explain it, Daddy. I'll explain it to you, my son. Okay, listen to me, son. According to Albert Einstein, look deep into nature and then you will understand everything better. Look deep into nature and then you will understand everything better. What? Math is not only a subject. Because math is not only a subject. Math is not all about numbers. Math is everywhere. That's why Albert Einstein said, look deep into nature. Oh really? Can you explain it to me? Okay, son. Son, we live in the universe that full of patterns. That patterns is the reason why nature has math. Look at this tree. This tree has a trunk, while this trunk has branches. So that means that trunk is 1, followed by branches, which is 2. Then another branches, 3. 1, 2, 3, and so on. Okay, I got it. That sequence called Fibonacci sequence. The Fibonacci sequence is the series of numbers 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, and so on.
Oh, that's awesome. Can you give another example?
Okay, son, but for now, we need to take a break.
Okay, Dad. How about this egg?
Nice question, son. This egg This egg has also a pattern. If you look deeper, you can see the balance of its shape. It has also a number, a Fibonacci number, and it's called golden ratio. The golden ratio is a special number that is equal to 1.618. 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. That's why its spiral figure is unique and it is a Fibonacci. Oh son, did you know that your face has a math?
Yes, of course, Dad, because our face has a pattern and it is also a special figure.
Not special figure, but spiral figure.
Okay, Dad.
Okay son, now you get it?
Yes, Dad. I get it. It's awesome, amazing, legendary.
Not only that son. More examples are flower petals, sunflower seeds, spider web, and even our fingerprints.
I think I'm falling.
Okay, Dad. Math is interesting.
Okay, son, so let's go home now. I hope that you learned something about nature and about math.
Of course, Dad.
Thank you guys. This is my only gift for my son. Educational information.
Thank you, Dad. I've learned a lot.
Thank you.